Today we learn how to use the Panasonic, this model, Panasonic TM1800G4, the new type the robot. We can see here is a 6-joint robot, right? And here is welding touch, clean the touch station. Here is translate. Here is use the touch, white touch the controller. Here is work tank. Here is welding power. Here is the Panasonic the robot the controller. And here is double station the button. Here is to power the switch. We next learn how to open the controller. When you receive the machine, then contact the cable. This cable is contact the product or your work table. Okay, these two lines, this line and this line, and this contactor here is from the controller. We not remove. And here is work tank the table, and this is contactor the. Can see it. We will make the market to the robot. And here is ground the table. Here is the gas, and this when touch, we use the air gas, air gas, and here is from here to here is control the when touch station, clean station. And then control the input power here to here. First we receive the machine, then open the toe switch here. Here is check the have the limit. Then open the controller, open the welding power, open the welding tank, then open the this. After do it, you can see the here is teach. Here must open it. Okay. Also the station B. Here is station B. Here is the station A. The button and the limit. Also, right? Catch see it. This control the this and this control the welding power. Here is use the AC 380 voltage, and this is 220 voltage AC. We next let the robot